bit. Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here today with Let's Meal Prep. Another chance to empower you in the kitchen with simple and healthy recipes. I got Amy behind the camera. We'll get her out here at some point. We've got today's theme, things that Amy wanted to eat.
Yep.
I'm guessing that she was just kind of tired of me taking over these past couple weeks. She had a party one weekend, and you had something else the weekend before.
I don't know.
It was just like,
I just needed some meat and
take
veggies.
charge. She needs some meat and veggies or some me time.
We try to keep it simple. And I told him I need it
to keep it simple.
Simpler this week.
Simpler this time. So meat
welcome.
and veggies right here, guys. Meat and veggies, a little bit of starch on this one, but we've got basically just chili, honey, chicken, and sweet potatoes. Cook those together in the oven on a pan. It came out phenomenal. I was really happy with that. I added some ginger and some garlic to that too, just to sweeten it up a little bit more. And then we just got some steamed broccoli. I was going to throw it in there with this, but I'm glad I didn't because, you know, just kind of separate the flavors there. So you got some steamed broccoli. And then I made just a quick cilantro and honey lime yogurt sauce here to dip the chicken in. And our little doggy is at the back.
She wants out.
She wants out. And then another great dish that we've done in the past, but this time we added some zucchini to it. So this is turkey and zucchini patties, teriyaki style. So there's a little easy teriyaki sauce you can throw in while they're cooking. Basically cook them on one side, flip them over, throw in the sauce, and then just let it go. And then I just stir fried some veggies here with a little bit of the teriyaki sauce and some arrowroot powder to get it to thicken up a bit.
And yes, these are as massive as they look.
No.
Paul wanted more than a quarter-pound patties, so we beefed up the turkey, if you will.
So we got broccoli, snow peas, water chestnuts, red peppers, and some carrots in there.
Yum.
So just saute it all up in a pan. It's so easy to do. Then over here, while we were making this, we got the chili going. Chili takes about an hour to cook. So obviously it took us about, a little less than an hour because we were waiting. But this is just straight up bison chili. Amy was going to talk a little bit about this one.
Well, this is a recipe I've had around for a while, and it is maybe not a traditional chili. It is a very simple, all natural, fresh cut up veggies, fresh cut up tomatoes. It doesn't have any sauces or pastes or thickeners put in it.
There's eight of those ripe tomatoes.
Yeah, 8 of the Roma or rind ripened.
Yeah.
Fine ripened tomatoes. But if you don't have a super speedy chopper like I do right there,
Sharp knives, guys.
you can use a couple cans of diced tomatoes. You don't have to use fresh. Make it as fast and easy as you can for you. You just cut up your veggies, saute them, add the meat, the garlic, your spices, and then add broth in. We put 2 cans of beans in. You don't have to put any beans. You could eliminate the meat and do all beans. We've done that before. We've made it just a veggie.
And sometimes instead of the broth, we do red wine.
Well, yeah.
That gives it a nice little unique flavor to it.
Yes, we just didn't have any red wine we were willing to sacrifice, and we went grocery shopping too early to buy wine this morning. Thank you, Texas Blue Laws. So, anyway,
Not even the cooking wine.
It's good. It's super clean, super clean.
It is.
So
definitely.
Anyway, that's all I have to say about that.
We've got Thanksgiving coming up, but this will give us some meals after Thanksgiving, because we'll probably have leftovers. Our family cooks.
We never bring the leftovers home, though.
But we try not to bring too much home, But again, we cooked same amount of meals. We know going after Thanksgiving, we're probably going to want to have some of these waiting for us. So think about that as you're going into the holidays, guys, and have a great weekend. Have a great holiday. Happy Thanksgiving. Woo. Okay, Molly, I like that.